Hey everyone, and welcome back to the gaterhd channel. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the Corsair RM1000e power supply. This unit is part of Corsair's RM series known for their efficiency and reliability. But is it the right choice for your build? Let's find out. First, let's start with the unboxing. The Corsair RM1000e comes in a sleek, well-packaged box. Inside we have the power supply unit itself, a set of modular cables, mounting screws, a power cord and some documentation. The packaging is secure and keeps everything in pristine condition during transit. Now let's take a closer look at the design and build quality. The RM1000e has a compact design measuring 150mm in length and 140mm in width, which is great for fitting into various case sizes. The matte black finish gives it a clean, professional look. The fully modular design means you will only need to connect the cables that you actually need, thus reducing the clutter and improving the airflow within your case. The cables included are of high quality with flat black cables for a sleek look. This not only helps with aesthetics but also makes cable management a breeze. The cables included are the 24-pin ATX cable, two 4+4 EPS 12V cables, one 12+4 12V high power cable for the new NVIDIA graphics cards, two 6+2 PCI Express dual cables, two 6+2 PCI Express single cables, one SATA cable with 3 connections, one SATA cable with 4 connections, and one PATA cable with 4 connections, also known as Molex. And now for the technical specifications. It is a fully modular power supply, thus reducing the clutter in your system. It is also ATX 3.1 certified with the included PCI 5.1 12V cable for the newest RTX NVIDIA graphics cards. It also has a low noise operation due to its 0 RPM fan mode. The RME series power supply features a robust resonant LLC topology with DC to DC conversion and 105 degrees Celsius rated industrial grade capacitors. With precise timings, RME supports modern standby, ensuring extremely fast wake from sleep times and better low load efficiency. It is 80+ gold certified, and it also has a cybernetics platinum for low power efficiency, less noise and cooler temperature. It has world-class support and it offers 7 years warranty. So, is the RM1000e worth it? Of course. With its high efficiency, robust performance and silent operation, it's the perfect choice for gamers and professionals alike. The fully modular design and quality build make it a perfect choice for any high-performance PC build. That's it for today's review. If you have any questions about the Corsair RM1000e, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. gaterhd out.